Hello, my friends. My name is Ayla. I am 18 years old, and I live in a small town with my lovely family. Today, I want to tell you about my family because they are very important to me. I hope you enjoy this story and learn English while listening. I live with my parents, my younger brother, and my grandmother. Our house is small, but it is full of love and laughter. Every morning we wake up early. My mother makes breakfast, and my father reads the newspaper. My little brother Ali is always full of energy. He runs around the house laughing and playing. He is only 8 years old, but he is very smart. My mother is a school teacher. She loves to teach children. Every day she goes to school early in the morning. She teaches English and science. She is very kind and patient. All her students love her. When she comes home, she helps me with my homework and teaches Ali too. My father works in a bank. He wears a suit and tie every day. He is very good at math and helps many people manage their money. On weekends, he takes us to the park or buys us ice cream. He always says, "Time with family is the most valuable time." My grandmother is old, but she is very wise. She tells us stories from the past. I love sitting with her in the evening and listening to her stories. She also teaches me how to cook. Her food is always delicious. At night, we all sit together and eat dinner. We talk about our day. My father asks, "What did you learn today?" My brother tells funny stories, and we all laugh. After dinner, we sometimes watch TV or play games together. On Sundays, we clean the house together. My brother and I help our parents. Sometimes we invite relatives or friends for lunch. My mother cooks special dishes, and we all enjoy the meal. These are the moments that I love the most. I am very thankful for my family. They support me in everything I do. They teach me to be kind, to work hard, and to never give up. My dream is to become a teacher like my mother and help others learn. Sometimes life is not easy. My father works hard every day, and my mother gets tired too. But we stay strong. We help each other and share our problems. When someone in the family is sad, we all sit with them. We talk, we listen, and we give hope. That is the meaning of family, to be there always. When I look at my family, I see love. I see strength. I see people who never leave me, even when things go wrong. We may not have a big house or lots of money, but we have something better. We have each other. My grandmother always says, "A strong family is like a tree. The roots are deep, and the branches grow high." I believe that. I want to grow, just like that tree, and take my family's love with me wherever I go. This is my family. They are my world, my heart, and my strength. I hope you also have someone who loves and cares for you. And if you don't, remember, you can be the start of a loving family one day. Keep going, keep learning, and never give up.